guys, welcome back to my channel yet again. If you're new, my name is Keona Janae, the dopest YouTuber in 2020, period. As you can see by the title, today's video is going to be how to rebrand, redo, rebuild, start from scratch your wardrobe. Before we get started in this video, if you guys would like to know, I am wearing my Allure lashes and my rose lip gloss. You can shop on houseofglambyke.com, period. Also, before we get into this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment. And if you'd like to know whenever I post, do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified. As you can see, we're in a totally different background. This is actually my bedroom. I really want to do a bedroom tour, so that probably will be coming like extremely soon, because I mean, my room is nothing fancy about it. I mean, it's cute or whatever, but I mean, I like my room. I don't care. I like my room. I love it. It's so me. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I love black. I love white. I love, as you can see, the glitz and glam. Like, yes. But anywho, that's besides the point. We're going to talk about why you guys are here. So today's video is going to be how to rebuild your wardrobe from scratch, because I know I need to do it like so bad. Y'all, I've gotten to a point where I have gotten so, I don't know, I'm not gonna say depressed, but it's just like I don't even like my clothes anymore, and that's the issue. And I find myself wearing like the same stuff like over and over again. So I want things that I can actually like switch up. I feel like I get a lot of statement pieces, and that's not always the way to go. I guess I also feel like I don't have clothes that's like everyday wearable. I want clothes that are very everyday wearable, but it's not basic, but I can dress it up. I don't know. I'm really weird when it comes to clothes because I don't have like a specific type of style. I'm a little bit of here and I'm a little bit of there. Like, I like to do a lot of things. so I most gravitate to streetwear, so that is what I want to get into. I also want to get into dressing more elegant, more girly, so the streetwear is kind of like my tomboy style. But when I do streetwear, I like my streetwear to be masculine but feminine at the same time. So I might wear a dress, but I wear like some sneakers with it, or you know, something like that. I'm really into like the sporty looks. That's like my go-to, like, period. Streetwear, go-to. So, but if I want to look cute or I have somewhere to go, I love dressing so pretty and so elegant. So that's kind of where I'm going for, like simple and elegant and out there streetwear, like fashion, like period. I guess I can tell you a little bit background. You can fast forward this part if you would like. But growing up, I've always been like into fashion, like period. Like, I love clothes. Now when I'm telling you I have so many clothes, I already like gave away like so much. So this video is going to be very interactive, and it's going to be very informative at the same time. I have some questions that will really help you break down and figure out how to rebuild your wardrobe. So the first question in trying to rebuild your wardrobe is, what is your lifestyle? What is your career choice? Are you a college student, high school student? Do you work a 9-to-5? Do you work for a corporate? Like, what do you do? That is like the main thing that you want to focus on, because if you work in a corporate job and you want to try to find your sense of style, I mean, you can have two different types of styles like I do. So if you do work a 9-to-5 or a corporate job, you will want your wardrobe to represent that. So that is one of the main things into finding your sense of style. Another thing that contributes to what type of lifestyle you have is if you actually go out. Do you go to places? What type of places do you go to? Are you more of a out and about type of person? Do you go to events? What type of restaurants you go to? Do you go to fancy restaurants, or do you go to just the regular restaurants? So if you do like to go out to eat all the time, I wouldn't per se wear jeans every time I go out to eat, and it depends on what restaurants you're going to. So say you go to more fancier restaurants, so you're not going to wear jeans to Del Fresco or Ruth Chris or something like that. Some people do, but I mean, I'm not knocking it, but some people do, some people don't. But for the most part, I know for Del Fresco, you can wear jeans, but you really can't wear ripped jeans in there. So you want to have outfits depending on where you go. The second thing that I would encourage you to do is to look in your closet. So I'm going to look right through my closet. I'm going to figure out, what do I gravitate to the most? What type of pieces am I constantly buying? Am I buying like the same stuff like over and over, just like a different color, or you know, something like that? You want to figure out, what are you buying like all the time? And what I mean by looking through your closet to see what you gravitate towards, are you more of a person that loves to wear jeans all the time? Like me, I'm a jean wearing person, okay? I love jeans. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe I think because that is like most of my comfort zone is jeans. I'm not into skirts. I really don't like skirts like that. Dresses, I do it once in a while. Shorts, that's my thing. But like pants, I'm trying to get more into wearing pants, because there's a difference between jeans and pants. I need to get more into that, so that is what I want to incorporate in my style. But yeah, what's your sense of style? Do you wear graphic tees all the time? Do you love graphic tees? Do you wear crop tops? Do you wear dresses? Do you love co-ord sets, two-piece sets? Like, what do you like? What do you gravitate to? What do you see frequently in your wardrobe? That will also help you, and it will also help determine what do you need to incorporate into your wardrobe. So also knowing what you lack in your wardrobe will also help you figure out what you need in your wardrobe. Not saying just because you don't like skirts don't mean you shouldn't have it, because you never know. You might need a skirt someday or some event. You probably can't wear pants. Girls might have to wear skirts. You just never know. So I feel like it's always good to have at least a few pair of items within each type of clothing category, if that makes sense. You get what I'm saying? Like shirts, skirts, pants. You should have at least a few items that you can choose from and have a go-to. So that's important. Third question. What colors do you gravitate to? What colors do you specifically love? For me, I love, as you can see, I don't know if you noticed from my channel, but I love black. Okay, I love black. I'm not goth or anything like that, but like, oh, I love black so much. I feel like I look good in black. I feel like black does me justice. So like, what colors do you gravitate to the most? I love black, like I said. I love green, and when I say green, I like olive green, like a nice nude green. I love grays. I love nude beige colors, tans. I love those type of colors. I'm not too fond of vivid colors. I know I am dark skinned and they look really good on melanin, but I do like neon. I do like neon colors. I'm not afraid to wear neons. Like, I do that. But when it comes to like purple, I don't feel like it looks really good on my skin tone. I don't know, that's just me. Blues, I kind of stay away from those colors. Some reds, I kind of stay from that color too. I don't know, those type of colors I kind of like shy away from, but I think I want to get into that a little more. So you need to really figure out what type of clothes or what kind of aesthetic that you are gravitated to the most. I love me some nude colors, okay? But I don't think those necessarily do me justice because of my skin tone. Since we are on the topic of colors, the next thing will be, what is your skin tone? As you can see, like, we're all different races, ethnicities, everything. So we all vary, but each and every race has people that are a little darker and they have people that are a little fair skinned. You want to figure out what is your skin tone for one. The second thing you need to figure out is, what is your undertone? Your undertones play a major role in how colors look on you. Me specifically, I'm kind of, I don't know. It's really weird for me. I really don't know what skin tone I fall into. One of the tests that you can do is to figure out what jewelry looks best on you. I always felt like gold looked the best on me. I don't know. I love gold. I'm just into it. But I also feel like silver is not too bad on me. So it's kind of like weird. You guys, I really don't know. But that is the main thing that you want to figure out. And when I find out, I'm going to display it on the screen, so you will see what is my skin tone, my undertone, and what colors look the best on me. So the fifth question is knowing your body shape. That is one of the most important things. This will help you learn what looks best on you and what's most flattering, because that's the purpose. When you wear clothes, you want to look nice in them. You don't want to look sloppy or like it's too big. Like, you want to have clothes that fits nice on you. And I'm not saying clingy, I'm not saying tight, but you want your clothes to fit comfortably and look good at the same time. So knowing your body type and your body shape is super, super, super important. There are plenty videos on YouTube to help you guys figure out your body type. But if you guys want me to do that video, I am more than happy to do that for you guys. If you would like that video, just comment down below and I will surely do it. Like, surely do it. But the next thing that you should do is get inspiration. We all get our sense of style from somewhere. You have to start from somewhere. I don't think it's a problem with copying somebody's style. Just make it your own. So I would look on social media, magazines, look at different celebrities. I mean, you might not be able to afford what they have on, but you can make it similar. Also, you can look at people that you see randomly. Oh, you see a girl walking, okay, check her out, look at her outfit, you know, get some ideas from people. It's okay to be inspired by people. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. But social media is a good platform to look at other people and, you know, get some inspiration from their style and make it your own. And hey, that's just an easier way to help you guys. The next step to rebuilding your wardrobe is shopping. If you got money like that, cash at me. But I would definitely not recommend getting all your items at once. You should definitely try to get your items gradually. A great idea in rebuilding your wardrobe is to get basics. Basics are super important. And what I mean by basics are neutral colors, okay? Neutral colors is your go-to. You want to get beige, you want to get grays, blacks, browns. Also, a great thing to get is jeans of every single color. Black jeans, white jeans, all type of blue jeans, gray jeans. You definitely want to invest in some good quality jeans, but you want to have jeans of all shade ranges, so you can swap and mix and match your clothes. Last thing that I would recommend doing is to not buy items unless you extremely love it. I have a problem with buying things that I do not need or necessarily like. I buy things, I might like it when I first get it. A few weeks later, I don't even like it anymore. It just really sucks. So that is what you would want to do when trying to build your wardrobe. So I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.